Hello everyone, welcome to LiteFinance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your MT4, your LiteFinance account to your MT4. It's pretty simple. These are some of the few steps that we'll be doing on this setup. So on the right hand side, you see trade, copy, analytics, profile, finance, education, MetaTrader, C-Trader, challenge, affiliate. So we are going to be clicking on the MetaTrader. So MetaTrader, now you see your MT4. If you are seeing MT5, all you need to do is to scroll down, click on open account, then you see MT4. Then after you're done, you will see it around here. So the first thing we need to do is to copy our server login. This is the server login. You copy your server login, and the next thing you set your trader's password. So I already have my trader's password set up. This is my trader password setup. Let me manually set it now. Okay, let me set confirm. So yes, we successfully set our trader's password, and I click save. So another thing we need to also focus on is to know your server. So mine is showing LiteFinance VC Live 606. So pay attention to it because we are going to need it in the future. So assuming you've already downloaded your terminal, let's open our terminal. This is our terminal. So all you need to do is to click on this icon here. This icon that shows this network bar underneath. This network bar underneath. So once we're done clicking it, come in, let me remove the mouse from there. Okay, it's not clicking because of the screen record icon that is there. So the other way we can also do it, for example, we can click on this file. Once you click on this file, you're going to see login to your trade account. So this setup, you can also use it with your mobile phone and also laptop. So click on your login to trade account. Remember the copy that we did. You click on paste on our server login. Then we can now write our password. So successfully written our password. You see LiteFinance VC6. If you scroll down, you see VC2, VC3, VC4, VC5, VC6, 57. So you need to take note of your life if it's VC Live 6 or VC Live 7. So we are using VC Live 06. That's why I click it. You can decide to save account information. You can decide to unmark it anyone. So let's click on login. So we'll wait for some time. So our account has been fully set up. As you can see, you see my ongoing trade that is here, and you can see the balance is already showing here. So this is how you set up or you connect your LiteFinance account to your MT4 directly.